how to change bank heist in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can change bank heist in Monopoly Go, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to change a bank heist in Monopoly Go, if you go and launch the Monopoly game over here, maybe you can change the community chest and you can create some other things, but then you might want to change the bank heist. So whenever you open the Monopoly Go game over here, you go ahead and open it up, but you can currently see that if I select the bank heist option, there is no option to change it. So as of today, as of this video is being made, we don't have any sort of option that we can use to change the bank heist in Monopoly Go. Hopefully, if in the future they might come up with such kind of feature, I will also make sure to update you about it. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.